Hello friends, in this video we intend to perform the withdrawal from the Quotex broker account using the Tether TRC-20 method together. We enter the main page of the Quotex broker where we can also see the platform. In the trading section, we select the withdrawal option. In the withdrawal section, you need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. In this section, you need to enter the wallet address where you want the amount to be withdrawn, and in the last box, select the network. Since we intend to withdraw Tether TRC-20, you choose the TRC-20 or TRX network. After entering the wallet address where you want the amount to be deposited, we click on the Confirm option. As you can see, in order for the operation to be completed, a PIN code has been sent to the registered email address, which you need to enter in this section. As you can see, in the inbox of the registered email at the Quotex broker, the code is available, which you copy and paste into the box related to the code. Then click on the Confirm option. Very well, in this section, as you can see, the withdrawal request has been successfully submitted, and in the transaction section you can check the status of your withdrawal. In this section it is specified on what date and at what time the request for the withdrawal of $40 was submitted, and the request is under review and has not yet been confirmed by the broker. As you can see here, it is written that it may take up to 48 hours to receive this amount in your Tether wallet. After this, you can check the status of your withdrawal in this section. After less than one business day, the TRC-20 withdrawal has been completed, and as you can see, the status is also marked as successful. You can see the amount in the TRC-20 wallet that you used to create this account. Good luck.